Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer photos from iPhone to Windows 11 PC. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now I'm going to be showing you the easiest one right here. So grab your USB cable, okay, or lightning cable and connect it to your computer. Now on your iPhone device, go ahead over to App Store and just find Google Chrome, okay? Find Google Chrome. Right here, install it, and once it's installed, open it up for the first time, and then open the Google Chrome app so that it will create a folder on your file section. So that's good. Close it. Okay. Now go ahead and go to your file section, and you should be able to see Chrome right here. So what you're gonna do is just go ahead and add items in here. Okay. So to add one, go ahead and go to your gallery, for example, or photos. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and move this photo right here. Okay. So what we're going to do is just tap on share right here at the bottom. I got to scroll down and find save to files. Okay. Save to files. I got to select Chrome. Tap on it. Save it right here. And once that's done, go ahead and check your file section. And it should be right here. Okay. That's one. So on your computer or Windows 11 device, go ahead and use the search bar and type down Microsoft Store. Open it up. Now just go ahead and find Apple devices. Okay. Right here. The search bar. Locate it. Install it. And then once that's installed, open it up. And then it will ask you to connect your Apple device to your computer. So just go ahead and grab again your Lightning or USB-C cable, connect it to your computer and iPhone. Now this window will pop up. Now in here, just go ahead over to Files. Now we have Chrome right here as our bridge. Okay, as you might remember, just click on it and it will load up all of the files or photos or even videos. Okay, so this one, I think this one is the ones that we have transferred, okay, to this date. So just click on save, make sure that it is highlighted and save it to your desktop or wherever you want. Okay. Wait for the process to finish. And as you can see here, we now have the photo. All right. And there you have it. If you want to save multiple, well, just hold Control key on your keyboard and select multiple. Okay. Save. There you go. Select folder. Wait for it. And here we have it. All right. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.